Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to use a custom fonts on your Lovable website instead of the defaults or Google fonts, this guide is for you. In Lovable Websites Editor 2026, custom fonts are supported but they must be uploaded and applied correctly to avoid loading errors, missing text or font receipts. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to add and use a custom font in Lovable 2026 like a pro. But there are some common custom fonts problems that are, for example, font doesn't appear after upload, font leads in editor but not live sites, text falls back to default font, font works on desktop but not mobile, website becomes slow after adding fonts. Okay, so before uploading, make sure your font files are ready. Preferred formats like WOOF, WOOF2, TTF, or OTF. So recommended regular, bold, italic. Okay, so avoid uploading only one weight if you plan to use bold text. Okay, so log into your Lovable account, select your website, click edit website, make sure you are in editor mode, not preview. Now go to site settings. Okay, typography, go to custom fonts and then click add custom font and upload your font file. So assign font name, assign weights, assigning correct weights prevents bold text from breaking. Okay, and then apply the custom fonts globally. So to use the fonts across your site, go to site settings, typography and global styles. Set heading font, your custom font, body font, your custom font, of course, and button font, your custom font. This is optional. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.